things have been, no. The way that things have been, no. Seconding, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the brain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain.